Hey everyone, Flying Brian here. You find us on a day out on our way to Blowing Rock, North Carolina to celebrate our 31st wedding anniversary coming up in just a couple of days. So come along and let's go check out Blowing Rock. A little bit of a tourist destination, but it certainly attracts us and we like to go up there every now and then. So let's go. How many years of marriage?
31.
Would you do it over?
I certainly would.
She had a little hesitation there, I believe.
Not at all.
All right, on our way. We're gonna get a big treat. We're gonna go on a brand new roundabout, which just finished up. It's massive. I'm Tilly Morris Road here in Union County. Gonna go take a look at it. Ready, Karen?
Yes, we're gonna go to the roundabout.
The roundabout, yes.
Yes, as Matthew would say.
Okay, let's see what it looks like. Definitely a change in the traffic pattern. We go this way. Boy, it's kind of confusing. Well, how was it for you, Karen?
It was okay. I can't say that it was confusing, though.
Here we are, but guess what?
What?
There's people everywhere.
Jag, you wouldn't like it. Way too many people.
Yeah, it's definitely a lot of people up here this weekend.
The town's Art in the Park Festival is occurring this weekend. There are dozens of artisans hoping to sell their creations. That one looks like a pottery maker. What are these? A sort of tie-dye top? Some nice wood crafts there. Wow, this is Marcus Thomas. He is painting with his mouth because he is paralyzed. All of these works were created by Thomas. Incredible, and an amazing story behind the artist as well. What? Oh yeah.
Well, we made it through Art in the Park. What'd you think? Was it
Yep,
better?
I found what I wanted.
All right. And I don't know if it was bigger or not than it was last year.
I think it's about the same size.
I agree.
It is coffee time.
There's our blueberry scone. We're going to give that a try here. Karen's coffee. And we're making a reservation for lunch. Now let's taste the scone. Actually, it's very good. Blueberry, moist, heated it up, so it's very, very tasty. I'm going to have to give that. It's got to be about a 8.5 to maybe a 9 on the scale. Okay, Karen has tried it. What do you think?
I've got my mouth full of food. I think it's very good. It's more cakey than dry, like a traditional European scone.
What do you think about the blueberries?
Awesome. Very good.
Very good. It's actually moist. Yeah. So what's your score? What do you give it?
I'd give it an 8.
8? Yeah, that's a strong score.
Delicious.
I said 8.5, 9. So how was the coffee shop?
It was nice.
She liked it better than the coffee shop we used to go to.
Yep.
So I think we got a new coffee shop in Blowing Rock. Better coffee.
Not fancy, but very good.
All right. Onward and forward to the rest of Blowing Rock.
Here's a look down Main Street. Even the service station has that mountain look with all the stone and timber beams. This is the Martin House, one of the town's oldest buildings. It was once a boarding house. It's now been converted into boutiques. Stoneman's Raid went through this area on 28 March 1865. I think it was actually a bit closer to Boone, but I digress. Let's go into this little building, which is the Blowing Rock Museum. There's an old rope bed with a chamber pot underneath. While not very big, there's all sorts of items from the area dated from the last century. It says the stained glass came from the old Sunshine Inn, which is now the new public house.
This is the original, like the hotel faced the street, and this is one of these.
The gentleman was saying that this building was originally a cottage associated with the Watauga Hotel. Apparently, it is the one on the left of the photograph.
Wow, lots and lots of people here in Blowing Rock today, and it's starting to cloud up. I think the hurricane is heading up our way. We came here, it was first crystal clear. Now it's all kinds of clouds in the sky and get a little bit of a breeze. So is the hurricane coming this way, Karen?
Yes, it is.
It is. Anyway, time for lunch. Let's go to Roca.
Bistro Roca.
Okay, we're getting settled in. Well, that was a great meal. What would you rate it?
I don't know. You rate it this time.
I don't know. The food, it was a long wait. He forgot our Coca-Cola.
I think he was just young and inexperienced.
Yeah.
So
Young and stupid.
that's me.
Anyway, when the food finally did come, it was beautiful, magnificent. So, gonna lose a couple points for the time.
You sound like Jag.
So I think let's make this 7.5. There you go. 7.5 is my score.
Mine would be about a 6. It was the most disappointing meal I've ever had here.
Oh boy, that's a burn. Anyway, let's see what else is going on in Blowing Rock. Or maybe we're gonna head home. We are back on our way to Charlotte and home. It's a nice little day out here in Blowing Rock. The weather's definitely kind of getting unsettled in the face of Hurricane Irma, is it? I don't know. Irma is the name of the hurricane. Anyway, I'm gonna go back home because we are needing to get the last little preparations done as the hurricane approaches. So anyway, thanks for coming along on our little tour of Blowing Rock, North Carolina. Remember, life's a journey. Enjoy the ride. And what? Thank you for watching.